Yo, what is up guys? Nick the Kai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below for more content like this and many more. So just want to start off the video and say thank you guys so much for everyone who entered the Harbor Freight tool raffle, the icon raffle I did recently. I was like super overwhelmed with like how fast that list filled up. Like I woke up and I had the video posted. I already had a bunch of people in the DMs trying to sign up. Like the slots literally filled out in like 5 hours, like from the time I posted on YouTube. I didn't really have a chance to post it on Instagram because the slots, there was like 5-10 slots left by the time I even put up the picture on Instagram. So that was super badass. Glad you guys all participated. The winner who actually won, he entered through the YouTube. His name was John Berry, and it was really cool because he commented on the YouTube saying he wanted to enter because he has an apprentice he's training and he wanted to surprise them with some tools. So that was really just like badass that he won, because whoever his apprentice is, they're gonna be happy as shit, because if I want all those tools, I would be like, holy fuck, like, yeah. So if you guys want me to do more raffles like that, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys are down to do more, because I'm down to do them. I like to give stuff away like that and give everyone a fair chance to win something big. I think it's really cool. Everyone wins. I buy the stuff, I get my money back. One person gets it all. So let me know, drop a comment if that's something you'd like to see more of. So today's video is gonna be a little story time about why I quit my job at BMW. No, I did not get fired. Sorry if I clickbaited you guys, but I need the views. I wanted the views. But yeah, guys, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys probably saw my story. So yeah, I just put in my 2-week notice. They were a little bit upset that I'm leaving them. They're like, why, like why? And like everyone on the Instagram's like, why are you gonna leave BMW? Like, where are you going? Like, what's next? What's next? Are you going up? Like, what's going on? So just want to kind of sit down and talk to you guys, let you guys know the rundown. So let's get started. Alright guys, so if you guys know me in real life, you guys know that I always talk about like I want to get my own place and I want to like build my own little shop in the backyard or the garage and have like my own shop. Like, I don't want to rent out a shop and then pay for that shop and pay for where I'm gonna live, because I just rather have it all in one so I can just work on cars, make cool videos for you guys, do some side jobs, and just have it at the pad, because that's how I'm living right now. I'm living at my parents' house and I work out of the garage, do my videos here. I get to work on the car in the driveway, and I really want that, but I want a place to call my own. So like my main goal lately for a while has been like, I want to buy a house. I want to have a house so I can build my shop in the backyard and have my cats run around and have some dogs and just have a whole zoo. So that's really something that I want. And if you guys are familiar with house prices down here in West Covina, close to Los Angeles area, like it is pretty insane. Like average cost of a house is like probably like around like mid $400,000 to $500,000, like for a cheap end house. Like for a small house going on the higher end, you're looking at like 500 or 600 easy, just for like an okay house, and your neighbors are still gonna be like right next to you and you don't get that much space. So I thought about it for a long time, and I don't think that I want to purchase a house down here, at least in this area. So if I'm not gonna be living in this area, I was like, why am I gonna keep working here at BMW when I should start building my ranks up wherever I plan to be moving to? So ultimately, that's like the biggest reason that I decided to quit BMW and pursue another job choice, because it's just not something that's going to work for me in the long run. And when at the end of the day, you got to do what's best for yourself. So also want to just give a huge shout out to Joe V, Heavyline Joe. I'm sure you guys have seen him in my videos with the M3. He's a wild one, but that guy really had a big impact on my career at BMW. Like when I first started there, I didn't really know anybody. So like when I needed some help, like he was kind of the first person that we became friends with. And luckily he was down to always help me and guide me in the right direction. Because when I first started there, like I kind of in my head was like, oh yeah, like I can diagnose cars. And then soon to realize I got some repair orders and had some diagnostics on it. And I was like, well, shit. I guess I don't know how to diagnose cars. I didn't know what the hell to do. And anytime, I can't even count how many times that guy's helped me or saved me. Like he would always just point me in the right direction. And the thing that was cool about him is he doesn't just like give you the answer like, oh, it's this, do that. He'll kind of make you think like, well, what do you think is going to cause that? What's related to that? Or he'll kind of quiz you and stuff. And that really, to me, like said a lot like about his training skills and like how he was just like a great mentor without even knowing it possibly. But even though he could have been a real pain in the ass and sometimes I just want to like smack him in the face with the forehead, it was good times. So now you guys know why I left BMW. Let's get started on where I'm going next. So leaving BMW, and I actually got a job where I'm moving at Toyota. I know a lot of people are probably thinking like, why are you gonna go back to Toyota? Like you left Toyota to go up higher to BMW. Yes, I did. But the thing is, there is no BMW where I'm moving to. So that's one thing that really influenced my decision. It's really nice to work somewhere close to your home. A little tip of advice. Right now, from my house to BMW, like it's like in the morning, it's cool. It's like maybe 20 minutes, but on the way home, when there's like full traffic, like you're looking at like 40 minutes sometimes. If it's bad, like even an hour. Usually it's not an hour. I know usually it's like 45 minutes, but still it really sucks. Like I've never worked that far from my house, so like that commute every day like really takes a toll, and like you're working your ass off all day. The last thing you want to do is go sit in traffic for like an hour almost and then get home and then you're even more tired of shit. So that's a pretty big reason why I'm not going back to BMW, because where I'm moving to, there's actually a Toyota like literally 5 minutes from where I'm going to be staying at. So oh my god. Another reason is at BMW right now, I have no BMW certifications. I have my ASC certifications, but I'm still kind of on the bottom of the BMW pay scale because I don't have BMW certifications and I only have my 1 year experience. At Toyota, if you guys have watched my videos, you guys know I almost made it to the top level, which would be Toyota Master Diagnostic Tech. I just need a couple classes and like 1 ASC. So I figured, why not, if it's gonna be where I'm gonna be living by, why not just go back to Toyota and just finish where I started. So even though I'm doing pretty good at BMW, I'm making good hours there. I just know at Toyota, I'm gonna make more hours because I was making more hours when I left Toyota. So taking a little bit of a pay cut going to Toyota in this spot, but I feel like it'll make up for itself since I'll be flagging more hours versus where I'm at right now. So it'll be basically the same, and the cost of living is a lot cheaper where I'm going. So yeah, that's pretty much like the main reasons, I guess, to sum it up in a nutshell. So yeah, I don't think this was too long of a video because it was kind of just a quick rundown, but just want to let you guys know this will probably be like one of the last videos in front of this toolbox here in this garage, because I gotta bring this toolbox actually to work at Toyota, so it'll be nice because I'll finally be able to put it to use a lot more than just having it at home, because really the only time I use this toolbox is like to film videos for you guys. I do work out of it sometimes with tools, but I use my service card in the driveway more than anything, so it'll be nice to actually use it. So a little bittersweet moment here. Did a lot of videos here. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Hope you guys continue to support the channel. We're growing. We hit 14K, 14,000 baby. So that's freaking sick. Thank you guys so much. It makes me so happy that you guys enjoy my videos. And like always, drop comments, video ideas, video suggestions that you want me to talk about. So I also too plan on bringing you guys some more 240 content. Since I'm not going to be living here, I'm not going to be down here as often, so I'm probably going to come back down here still on the weekends so I can work on the 240. Right now I'm trying to paint it still and finish up that turbo setup. I've kind of been slacking on it since I've just been having my head somewhere else, focusing on moving, a new job and everything. So sorry if I haven't brought you guys as much 240 content as you guys would like to see, but I feel like majority people who watch this channel like the tool stuff, the tech talk and stuff like that. But I appreciate all of you guys. Hopefully everything works out to the plan we have going. Really trying to get like an actual spot, a house, so I can start building a shop, and that's just really something I want. So hopefully things work out, guys. I think that's it. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, but I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!